Because I just saw your Facebook message today.
That works. That's how it works, actually, yeah.
Not at all. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Looks like you're gonna go play tennis. There you go. I won't be playing tennis.
There's Jack. Filming me.
We have 5 kids, and the happiest homes filled with kids have kids running around all the time.
Yeah,
and I'm not trying to tell anybody that we're anything other than that.
Oh, you're out
this
there.
is a 30-second intro to let everybody know that we're a happy family. That's it.
You're out there letting everybody swing. Why not?
We don't go out and take the kids swinging. We don't go to the park and really watch the kids swing and stuff like that.
I've seen you do that a couple of times.
Well, you've been at home the other times.
To get a video.
We've been. You're not here all the time.
To get a video. So.
Okay.
I mean, here.
Okay. Passive aggressive. And
passive aggressive.
Well, listen.
Okay.
Listen. Honestly, like what I mean by that is just like, for example.
This is totally unfair. I'm getting dogged.
No, you're not. We're having a conversation. That's it.
No, there's 8,000 people in there.
That doesn't matter if you only have 1 or 2 videos, though.
If you read
it doesn't matter if you only have a couple videos. It's not that much money.
Here, I'm going to give you an example.
You know what? I'm starting to get really frustrated.
Don't get frustrated.